A money mindset refers to the attitudes and beliefs we hold about money, wealth, and our own financial potential. These underlying thoughts can significantly influence the way we approach earning, saving, and investing. When we recognize and understand our money mindset, we gain insight into the patterns that drive our financial decisions. Ultimately, the beliefs we carry about money can either open doors to greater income or create barriers to financial success. Many individuals struggle to reach their income goals due to self-sabotaging behaviors that often go unnoticed. Procrastination is a common pattern where important tasks are delayed, leading to missed opportunities. Fear of success can also hold people back, as they may worry about the pressures or changes that come with achieving their goals. Additionally, undervaluing oneself can result in accepting lower pay or not negotiating for better compensation. Recognizing these behaviors is the first step toward breaking the cycle and moving closer to financial aspirations. Negative beliefs about money often stem from a combination of early life experiences, societal messages, and personal disappointments. For many, childhood lessons about scarcity or abundance shape how they view finances as adults. Societal influences, such as cultural norms or media portrayals, can reinforce unhelpful attitudes toward wealth and spending. Personal setbacks, like job loss or financial mistakes, may further entrench these beliefs. Together, these factors can lead to limiting habits that make it difficult to achieve financial well-being. Scarcity thinking is a mindset rooted in the belief that resources, opportunities, or success are limited. This perspective often triggers anxiety, competition, and a fear of missing out, which can lead individuals to make decisions that undermine their own progress. In contrast, an abundance mindset embraces the idea that there is enough for everyone, fostering collaboration, creativity, and resilience. When people operate from a place of scarcity, they may unintentionally sabotage their goals by avoiding risk or hoarding resources. Understanding this distinction is crucial for breaking free from self-defeating patterns and cultivating a more positive, growth-oriented outlook. Transforming your money mindset begins with recognizing and challenging limiting beliefs about wealth and success. Start by reframing negative thoughts such as "I'll never earn more" into empowering statements like "I am capable of increasing my income." Consistently practicing gratitude for your current resources can also shift your focus toward abundance. Additionally, surround yourself with positive influences and seek out financial education to reinforce constructive habits. Over time, these strategies help lay the foundation for greater financial growth and higher earning potential. Consider the story of Maria, who struggled with chronic overspending and debt. By recognizing her self-sabotaging beliefs about money, she began to shift her mindset, focusing on financial discipline and long-term goals. Over time, Maria paid off her debts and started saving for her future. Similarly, James once believed he was destined to live paycheck to paycheck, but after adopting a growth mindset, he pursued new skills and advanced his career. These real-world examples demonstrate how changing one's mindset can be a powerful catalyst for financial transformation. Developing a healthier money mindset is a journey that begins with small, intentional steps. By reflecting on your beliefs about money and making conscious choices, you can set the foundation for lasting financial success. Remember, progress is built through consistent actions, whether it's creating a budget, seeking financial education, or setting achievable goals. Every positive change, no matter how minor, brings you closer to financial well-being. Stay committed to your growth and let each step forward reinforce your confidence and resilience.